Welcome to Beautyistic. Today, we're exploring the Jimmy Choo I Want Choo Eau de Parfum 2-piece set, which includes a full-size 3.3 feel ounces spray and a smaller 1.3 feel ounces travel spray. This fragrance is described as a floral and woody scent featuring notes of mandarine juice, jasmine, and vanilla, designed to offer a long-lasting experience. The packaging feels sleek and modern, with a glam yet understated design that suits Jimmy Choo's luxury image. Inside, the Eau de Parfum is a blend that aims to balance fruity freshness from the mandarine and peach, a floral heart of jasmine, and a warm, creamy base of vanilla with subtle woody undertones. This combination sets the stage for a scent that's feminine yet sophisticated. Putting it to the test, I found the initial spray to deliver a juicy, almost sparkling mandarine and peach burst, which quickly softens into a rich floral heart. Jasmine is unmistakable, but not overpowering. It's elegant and smooth. As it dries down, the vanilla and woody notes emerge, lending a cozy warmth without tipping into sweetness overload. The scent wears well throughout the day, maintaining a noticeable presence without being intrusive, which is a key expectation for anyone investing in a long-lasting perfume. I appreciated how easy it was to integrate into both day and evening routines. The smaller spray is perfect for touch-ups or travel, making it practical for on-the-go use. The fragrance performance is impressive. It lasted about 6 to 8 hours on my skin, which aligns with the Eau de Parfum concentration. The scent projection is moderate, enough to get noticed without overwhelming a room. On the downside, while the fragrance is versatile, it leans a bit more toward warmer weather or transitional seasons, so it may not be everyone's go-to for colder months. Also, the peach note in the description isn't as prominent as one might expect. It plays more subtly in the background. For those who prefer very fresh or citrus-heavy perfumes, this might feel slightly muted. Pros? The composition is well-balanced and complex, the longevity is solid for its price range, and the dual-size packaging adds convenience. The bottle design feels premium and sturdy, reflecting Jimmy Choo's commitment to quality. On the flip side, the scent's warmth may limit its versatility across all seasons, and if you're looking for a distinctly peach-forward fragrance, this isn't quite it. Speaking of price, this set sits in the mid to high luxury fragrance category. Considering the lasting power, quality of ingredients, and the inclusion of the travel-size spray, it offers good value for those who want both at-home and on-the-go options without buying separately. Compared to other floral woody perfumes in this range, it holds its own without breaking new ground, but its elegance and refinement make it a reliable choice. If you're hunting for alternatives, some might prefer lighter, fresher floral scents from brands like Jo Malone or Marc Jacobs at a similar or slightly lower price point. However, those looking for a blend that balances fruity, floral, and woody notes with a smooth vanilla finish will find Jimmy Choo I Want Choo a compelling pick. The build quality of the packaging is solid, no flimsy plastics, and the spray mechanism works smoothly, ensuring even distribution without waste. Shelf life for perfumes of this nature is generally 3 to 5 years unopened, and given the brand's reputation, you can expect a consistent formula with no surprises. I haven't had direct contact with Jimmy Choo's customer service for this product, but their general brand reputation suggests a responsive and reliable support system if needed. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. To wrap it up, Jimmy Choo I Want Choo is a beautifully crafted floral woody fragrance that blends juicy mandarine and jasmine with a creamy vanilla base. It performs well in terms of longevity and wearability and offers a sophisticated scent profile suited for women who appreciate elegance with a touch of warmth. It's ideal for those looking for a fragrance that transitions smoothly from day to night without being overpowering. If you've already tried this perfume, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. I'd love to hear your experience. The link to purchase is in the description and comments for easy access. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.